Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Drive. This ensures your photos attach to the right profile. Next, make a single folder on your device so uploads stay organized, and pick whether to use backup and sync for continuous upload or manually upload for selective control. Once done, click New Right Arrow Folder to create a destination in Drive, then drag the local photo folder in. This prevents duplicates and gives you an easy place to manage access and sharing later. Now, upload and synchronize your photos precisely so they remain accessible and tidy. If you want automation, enable the Drive or Google Photos Sync app and pick folders to monitor. Otherwise, drag and drop selected images on the web interface for manual control. Make sure to choose original quality if you need full resolution, and monitor storage in settings because originals use drive space. Finally, use clear file names and subfolders to make deduplication and future searches. Finish by organizing and setting permissions so your photos serve their purpose. Move images into shared folders and set viewer or editor rights depending on who should change them. This prevents accidental edits. Once organized, use Drive search and filters or star important photos for quick access. If something goes wrong, first verify internet connectivity, Drive app permissions on your device, and remaining storage. Those are common causes of sync failures. If needed, pause and resume sync, or re-upload the affected files to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.